What's up, guys? We're here live in JPM. Sorry about that. We're doing the mini to fill the Premier Break top 4 win. So we're going to go live. We're live at 3:59. It's 3:59. We're going to go get a fresh list here. Marty on top, Samich on the bottom. Marty on top, Samich on the bottom. Guys, we're going 3 times. Good luck. 1, 2, 2, 3:59. It's 3:59. Guys, third and final time. Good luck, top 4. We got Adam, Marty, Mike, and Jason. Top 4 there. Four o'clock. It is 4 o'clock. Guys, there you have it. 3 times, top 4. Adam, Marty, Mike, and Jason. And there are your teams. Adam has New Jersey, Marty the Islanders, Mike Buffalo, and Jason the Predators.